So in this video we'll discuss about AS level pure mathematics or P1. This is a question from 2020 October-November 12. The subject code is 9709. So in this question the sum to the n terms for the n terms of an arithmetic progression is given. So we have given the sum to the n terms, that is Sn. The kth term of this progression is greater than 200. Find the smallest value of k. Now, to find this value of k, we need to find this from the kth term. So, this is the kth term, not the sum of the kth term. So, we cannot use this equation to find the value of k. So, the formula for kth term would be, since this is an arithmetic progression, so kth term is equal to a plus k minus 1d, that is this. N term is equal to a plus n minus 1d. So kth term would be a plus k minus 1d. So to solve this, we need to find the value of a and the value of d. So we know that the sum to the n term formula is this. That means if we substitute the value of n, that is 1, we can find the first term since there is no other variable. So we put the value of n, that is 1, and found the first term or the sum of the first term, that is the value of a, that is 5. Then when we place the value of 2, there is sum of the first two terms, we get a value that is 12. That means 12 is the value that is the sum of the first and the second term, since this is the sum of the first two terms. So sum of the first term plus sum of the second term is 12. So the second term would be total sum minus the first term, that is the second term is 7. Since we know the second term and the first term, so the common difference would be second term, that is 7, minus first term, that is 5. So the value of d comes to 2. Since we know the value of d, that is 2, and the value of a, that is 5, so the kth term would be a plus k minus 1d, where we know the value of k, where we know the value of a and d. So we place the value of a and d in this equation, and since kth term is greater than 200, so we have to place a greater than sign, then solve it to find the value of k, that is greater than 98.5. That means the smallest possible value would be k is equal to 99. Since it is greater than 98.5, so the smallest value, that is greater than 98.5, that is 99.